In this video, we'll be replacing the driver's side map light on the interior of this 2007 Mazda CX-9. This will be the same process for the first generation from 2007 to 2015. So to remove our interior map light, it's going to be the same for the driver and passenger side. You're going to find a little notch in the front section of it. We're going to use a small flat blade screwdriver into that notch, and we're going to pry that light down. We're going to get it to a certain point where we can just pull that lens straight down and off. And these were the two clips that were holding it in the front. To install our new lens, we're going to start with these tabs here. We're going to slide them up and into position, and then we're going to push up and click into position the front side. And that's it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.